Good morning, friends. This is Shreyarsha from Crazy Money with Street. Today is 11th of December, and let's see what's happening in the market. What happened yesterday? What's going to happen today? And what was the scenario with US in market, Indian market, and the European market, and how things can actually shape up for today. So let's get started. What happened yesterday? As I told you, if I told you we are ready for the 5% up move. That is still holding good. The only thing is it couldn't happen yesterday. The reason being we saw some amount of correction, but that correction is a minute correction, and after this correction, we are ready for a next big up move. So the correction is done. I don't see anything much happening with the correction. I had told you the scenario also. If we go down at 13,450, we will actually tend to move back. That's exactly happened yesterday. Though it was trying to take resistance at 13,500, which I told you earlier that that will be a important resistance as per the option chain, and because the option expiry was there, we have trade between the tight band of 13,400 to 500 instead of 500 to 600, which we were expecting. So overall market is still positive. There's nothing much to worry about. If you look at the US markets, yesterday has been flat to positive. European markets are quite flattish kind of thing. Overall, everything looks fine. Now the thing is, if you look at the Nifty, is showing that again we may end up in a gap up and we may start moving higher. Overall, I see market. Either of the two things could happen. One is we are bound to move towards 14,000 sooner or later. Will it happen immediately in one single day or multiple sessions is a question. I think it may still continue with multiple sessions, because if it happens in one single session, then actually after that the correction may be actually happening. Looking at that, probably market momentum is still quite strong and it may continue to do. Overall, market is still strong, and you can look at buy on dips. A lot of banking stocks have actually corrected during this time, and you should probably look at buying these banking stocks whichever have corrected. Yesterday there have been quite a good amount of correction in a lot of stocks, and already a lot of stocks have been accumulated, and now they may actually start moving higher from there. So better be on the long side. Shorting, I said it's better to avoid. Yesterday you could see that uh, the market also started moving higher after that. So correction was there, which see, that's the main challenge, is when the momentum is so strong, you cannot exactly predict when actually the correction is going to come. Whenever it is going to come, you should be ready with it and you should go with the flow. So that's what is happening. Market is quite strong, and it may continue to move towards the next 13,600, 700. It may start moving in the range again. See, earlier we have been 13,000 to 13,200, from 13,200 to 400, now 400 to 600, and probably next to 800 and towards the 40,000. Overall, market is very strong, and you should look at buying on dips only. And looking at the commodities market, as I told you earlier also, it is more sideways, and gold and silver are a little lackluster. It is not actually moving higher, but it is not actually ready to go down also, so it will be more on sideways. And crude oil, I think we are at a peak of the stage, but only because of the market is moving higher, it is actually holding on to that. It will also be sideways, and I don't expect too much of buying interest coming in, because we are at the height of actually the uh, we don't have much headroom for this, so it will be more on sideways side, but quite positive. So overall markets are quite positive, guys, and you should actually only stay on the longs. So I'll be sharing with you a lot of stock trading ideas as usual, which I will be coming in the afternoon. So stay tuned on that. And in fact, if you like this video, please share this video to all your friends, and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. If you are still not a part of my Telegram channel, go and subscribe Crazy Money Tree on Telegram, so that you will get much more latest updates. And if you're new to the market, go and look at my playlist. You have a lot of videos which will actually help you to understand the stock market, and you will be able to do a better trading. If you are uh, if you want to be a professional trader, then I have a program called Pro Trading Secrets, a Pro Trading System. This is a very powerful methodology. I teach you two strategies, very powerful strategy which work for any market conditions. And this is costing you just 499 rupees. It's a 5 day program, and you can actually go ahead and look at the first day of the video which is there on YouTube. Just go and search my previous videos, or you can also go to my playlist. You will be able to find there. Go and actually look at that video, and in the description you will find a link. Go and join that. And the next batch is starting on 21st of December. So stay tuned, and I'll see you there, and I'll show you how you can get mentored. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day.